Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and safe. I am glad to be a part of the International Web Conference on Internationalization and Extension of Educational Institutions through innovate and emancipatory research amidst the current challenge of globalization and technological divide, which will be holding on 29-30 April 2022. I am the corresponding author of the article entitled Foreseeing Future and Fourth Industrial Revolution. What do you know about foreseeing the future and what does it represent to you? Linguistics mean of foreseeing the future. Foreseeing carries in it is continent that meaning of looking at a distant object, trying to identify it, and taking the means that reach that currently, such as climbing to a high place that provide a greater opportunity for reconnaissance. Future of foresight science, the process of adapting scientific methodology and methods to try to understand the development that will occur in the future and reduce the degree of ambiguity in order to prepare and plan through scenarios for those development for a period of more than 10 years. Several rules for foresight in the fourth industrial. The below diagram shows these rules. It's starting from the future studies, then detecting or diagnosis the problem before it is occurred, and preparing the comfort to comfort them, then determine resources and energy, all the available resources and energy to avoid the problem after it has been detected, then elaboration of possible and available options. After that, a new futuristic design, and finally create a better future. Why foreseeing the future is important? We cannot predict the future, but we can formulate it. Avoid the mistake of the past and enhance the success of the present. Facing a future challenge as a result of the accumulation in technology development and scientific achievements. Rapid change in all sector and external and internal influence, crime, transient crime, industrial revolutions. Four industrial revolutions are illustrated in the figure. First industrial revolution, mechanical industrials. The second one represents the electrical and petroleum industrials. The third industrial revolution, industrial electronic and information technology, which it is called on artificial intelligence revolution. And the fourth industrial revolution, digital industries and virtual physical connectivity. Definition of fourth industrial revolution: artificial intelligence, 3D printer, internet, virtual cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin and else, nanotechnology and biotechnology, quantum computing, robotics, self-driving car, and many else. In the next slide, we will present them in details. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. What carries with its effects that would change our live, even shape of word which we are accustomed. Artificial intelligence software aim to simulate and translate human mental abilities. Artificial intelligence will be able to simulate human speech and how to speak or listen. Artificial intelligence application in medicine. Several fields have employed the artificial intelligence in medicine. In the field of medicine, the doctor need a very long and existing time to see all the scientific research issued in this field of knowledge in order to be able to keep pace with the development in his field of work. The artificial intelligence employed in the medicine and disease diagnosis such as cancer, skin cancer, breast cancer, brain cancer, and many diseases. Also, the artificial intelligence employed in agriculture, also in planet disease diagnosis, also in the industrial, in teaching, in all the life aspects. Artificial intelligence and its effect on the jobs. Two perspectives will discuss, and it is need to be discussed more and more. The first team believe that the artificial intelligence will create new areas of work. The second group believe that the artificial intelligence will take a lot of jobs, which will affect humans. So far, neither of the two groups has been able to prove or document their theory. In 2020, artificial intelligence was able to perform 85% of the task of communication and communication with customers. Smart logistics systems. This relies on the concept of the Internet of Things and Internet of Everything's robotics and the drones managing the process of entering, distinguishing, stacking, storing, and other else thing. Robots will replace 25 of the workforce by 2035. Some information states that by 2036, every human employee in the United States will be replaced by a robot employee. More than 60% of online stores will integrated artificial intelligence into their online platform within the next 2 years. Artificial intelligence will contribute to the creation of new product, services, business model, and markets. The expected volume of spending on artificial intelligence from 2016 to 2025 are illustrated in the figure. It is show rapidly increase from 2016, passing 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, and finally 2025. The United Nations is working on the use of artificial intelligence to achieve the sustainable development goals, especially the challenge related to the poverty and hunger, promoting health, education, and protecting the environment. Artificial intelligence will add $1957 billion to the Indian economy, according to the accurate report which has been published in 2018. 3D printer Smart digital 3D printer will replace the worker. 3D printer also employed currently in are used in some restaurants to prepare foods. Also will replace the worker. 3D printer also employed in the field of medicine. Printer are currently need to treat bone by designing robot networks for the bone instead of the splint. Self-driving car, the artificial intelligence has a big role in self-driving car. With the rapid technological development, cars are now capable of self-driving without a human and also making a quick and accurate decision on the road using artificial intelligence, which has significant and tangible impact. Thank you for your attention.